Hi, I'm Paul Holofko, and today we're going to be taking six-pack plants like tomatoes or basil and transferring them into hydroponic systems. So the way you really do this is actually quite simple. Is you take this six-pack, which I used to have, now I just got a keg, and you remove the plant out of it by simply pushing out on the sides and gently removing it. You can actually see that it has a good root system. And then put it into a bucket of water. This is about halfway filled. So what you do is you just wash off all of the moss and soil that's on the plant. So you can basically drown the plant like this. In this case, I'm using basil because I couldn't find a tomato plant that I liked. And we'll go ahead and plant this in a hydroponic system. So you can take it off over here. The other way you can do this is just to have a running water and a hose, and you can just spray it all off, but you still have to have the physical movement of it to remove everything. All right, so we got one plant here. You can actually see the root system. These are all different stone here for water retention. In this case, you can actually see there's 4 plants in there. So, but in this case, I'm just going to put them all together. What you really need to get is a basket, and this is not any type of basket. This is one generally you can get at a hydroponic store that has roughly a opening in the bottom so that when you have your hydroponic fluid go by, the roots can go into. Take your plant that you just cleaned up, put it in here. In this case, since it was planted in sphagnum moss, you can plant it with some more moss, something to keep it wet and have the roots grow in it. Try to get it in there without breaking the plant. And once it's in there, the roots will actually come out of here and grow in a flow. This is great for any type of pipes, hydroponics, or any type of rafting system. Another way to do it, put this here. Another way to do it is to use hydrotone, which is basically these small balls. You can get this at any hydroponic store, and you plant it like a regular plant. So I plant this one in here and try to get the roots to go straight down. In this case, I've actually examined the roots and didn't see anything bad. Put it in here, it'll anchor it, and you have your hydroponics. Here are 2 ways you can plant your plants from a store into a hydroponic system. I'm Paul Holofko.